Our company has a new strategic initiative to increase market penetration, maximize brand loyalty, and enhance tangible assets. In pursuit of these objectives, we start a new project which we require 7 red lines. I understand your company can do this.
Yeah, of course. Tom here will be the project manager. Tom, we can do this, can't we?
Oh, yes, of course. Keith here is our expert in all matters of drawing red lines. We brought him along today to share his professional opinion.
Well, it's nice to meet you all. Well, you all know me, but this is Lena, our marketing specialist.
Hello.
We need you to draw 7 red lines, some with green ink, some with transparent ink. Can you do that?
No, I'm afraid we can't.
No, let's not rush into any hasty answers, Keith. The task has been set. This needs to be carried out. At the end of the day, you are the expert.
The term red line implies the color of the line to be red. To draw a red line with green ink, well, if not exactly impossible, it's pretty close to being impossible.
What does that even mean, impossible?
Well, a line as such can be drawn with any color, but to get a red line, you need red ink.
What if you drew it with blue ink?
That won't solve the problem. It won't work. If you use blue ink, you'll get a blue line. And what did you mean about transparency?
Well, it's simple, isn't it? Just draw a red line with transparent ink.
Can you describe what the end results would look like?
Oh, come on, Keith. What have you got here? Kindergarten?
No, I'm just trying to get to the...
Let's not waste our time with these unproductive quarrels. The task has been set. It's plain and clear. Now, if you have any specific questions, go ahead and ask those.
You are the expert.
Here, I'll show you. You mentioned transparency. What did you mean?
Hold on a second. How about that?
Wait, why are they blue?
Indeed. I was going to ask that myself.
I only had a blue pen with me. It was just a demonstration.
Well, that's the problem. Your lines are blue. Draw them with red ink.
It won't solve the transparency problem.
How do you know before you even try? Try to draw them with red ink, and then let's see.
I don't have a red pen with me, but I'm completely certain that the results will be the same.
Didn't you tell us earlier that you could only draw red lines with red ink? Yeah, in fact, I have it written down here. And now you want to draw them with blue ink? You want to call these red lines?
I think I understand. You're not talking about colors now, are you? You're talking about, what's that called,
Transparency, yes.
Oh, well, that's it. Now you've confused everyone. So what exactly is stopping us from doing this?
Basic colors?
Oh, let's just ignore all that.
We have a task. 7 red lines. It's not 20. It's just 7. Keith, I understand you're an expert, but you're missing the big picture. Surely it's not a difficult task just to draw some 7 red lines.
Exactly. Suggest a solution. Now, any fool can criticize. No offense. But you're the expert. You should know better.
Okay, let me draw you 2 red lines, and I'll draw the rest with transparent ink. They will be invisible, but I'll draw them.
Will this suit us? Yes, this will suit us.
Yes, but at least a couple with green ink. I have another question, if I may. Can you draw one of the lines in the form of a kitten?
What?
In the form of a kitten. Market research tells us that users like cute animals. That would be really great.
No.
But why?
Look, I can of course draw you a cat, but a line and a cat are 2 different things. It won't be a line anymore.
A kitten, not a cat, but a kitten. A cute little cuddly animal. Cats, on the other hand.
It won't make a difference.
Kate, at least hear him out. He hasn't even finished speaking, and you're already saying no.
I get the idea. It's impossible to draw a line in the form of a kitten.
What about a bird?
So where do we start? What are we doing?
All right, 7 red lines. 2 with red ink, 2 with green ink, and the rest with transparent ink. Did I answer that correctly?
Yes.
Excellent. That's everything, right?
Oh, I almost forgot. We also have a red balloon. Can you inflate it?
What do I have to do with balloons?
It's red.
Keith, can you or can't you do this? It's a simple question.
Of course I can.
Excellent. Organize a business trip. We'll cover the expenses. We'll go over to their location, inflate the balloon. Well, this has been very productive. Thank you all.